Greetings to you, my friends, and welcome to my test site again. And as I promised to you, I'm coming back here with my test of the Minelab Manticore with the latest software update. Well, I can tell you the story of me and Minelab Manticore. The story is pretty simple, you know. The first test what I did, it was, you know, with the detector, which I never used. It was not my detector. It's just one guy called me, said, "Hey, Ivan, listen, I got a new Minelab Manticore. Do you want to test it on your test site?" I said, yes. I was dreaming about it for a while. So I picked up his detector, went to my test site, and because it was during the winter, you know, nobody was detecting, but I went to the test site, fully loaded the battery here in Minelab Manticore, started to make a test, and turns out that the search coil was actually defected, you know. It wasn't working properly. I did my test, but you know, my feeling was that if I'm buying metal detector for 2,000 euro, over $1,500 in United States, that's how much it costs, probably in your country. So here in Europe it costs 2,000 euro, nearly $2,200 per, you know, previous currency rate between euro and dollars. So I tested this metal detector, and I thought that, come on, if you're selling the metal detector for 2K, it's for 2 grand, you know, euros, then it must work out of the box without any problems. You should make the brilliant quality control ever possible on any metal detecting factory. This is my opinion. You can think differently, but this is what I say to Minelab and to other metal detecting companies. You should do really quality stuff if you want to sell it over 1,000 euro, you know, in retail. That really matters to us. So what's next? The second Manticore, it was actually purchased by myself, you know, for my own money, out of my pocket. Nobody sponsored me. So I bought the Manticore, went detecting, had several days, you know, with it. I was filming some videos, and actually I didn't like that this much, simply because it wasn't that stable like any other metal detectors, especially when I was turning off, you know, my phone to airplane mode and so on. It wasn't working really well, and I sold it. I sold it to another guy. I said, come on, if you want to have some, you know, high-end metal detector in really good price, slightly used, I have it. So the guy purchased this for me. And now, recently, after my purchase, the Minelab just, you know, announced the new update, new software update for the Manticore, promising to fix all of the previous bugs and so on. I had no Manticore for a while, and now one detectorist, it's a guy called Ivor. Thank you, Ivor, for providing me this metal detector. I really appreciate this. Now I have a chance to test the latest software update with the Minelab Manticore here on my test site. And how do you think, how would it work? And to answer to this question, let's start the test. So let's turn it on. And by the way, when it's turning on, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's check the settings. What do we have here? 25. I checked that it's actually quite stable sensitivity level. Volume 25. Search modes, all terrain general. Noise cancelling -4. I balanced the ground before, it was 4. Here on my test site, 5 recovery speed. Discrimination pattern is all metal. Ferrous limits presetted, you know, I like this preset. Ferrous tones I don't change it. Target tones, I have all tones, you know, the polyphony basically. Audio theme is normal. Frequency multi, and general settings is without any, you know, updates. So let's test it with my silver hammered coins, what I have here on 15 centimeters, the first one. 50 centimeters is the depth of silver hammered medieval coin. Okay, it catch that. 17. Quite good. 20. Not bad. 22. 25. Hey, it's a slightly smaller target here, that's why it detects it not that loud. So, and I want you to remember, this is currently medieval hammered coins, silver ones, and 28. Almost no sound. But it detects that, you know. If you will wear the headphones, you will definitely find that. So we have a good sensitivity here on small silver targets. Now the treasure. Treasure is buried here on 60 centimeters depth. Okay, it got it. Yeah, yeah. It's over there. Not bad at all. It catches the treasure. And it's also quite stable, as you can see, compared to the previous software version. And now we have the German helmet here in this hole on the depth 1 meter 26 centimeters. Stable non-ferrous signal. That's what I wanted to know. And what about the target of the nail, rusty nail, with silver hammered coin close to it? Yeah, it separates, as you can see. Wow. Yeah, it shows that it's actually the good non-ferrous target, really close to the ferrous one. You see? You will dig it and you will find the ferrous target here. Wow, that's impressive. That's really impressive. What I don't like about the Manticore is its depth on high conductive targets. Well, I mean the silver coins and the copper coins, the larger one. For example, here I have quite a big copper coin. It's from 1812, so Napoleonic era, and it's buried here on a depth 35 centimeters. And you can compare. Yeah, it detects it, but the sound is really low, silent, really silent. You should detect here only if you have the headphones. That's why the headphones will be actually really important to use when you are detecting with Minelab Manticore. So I have the recovery speed on 5, and here I have some targets. You know, let's see the separation of the targets. Not the best one. And what about nails and coins again? Buried here at 10 centimeters depth. Yeah, there's a good separation. It shows you only the non-ferrous targets. That's really good. Impressive result. Yeah, not bad. So let's make a conclusion. What do you like about the new software upgrade for Minelab Manticore? I actually noticed that it's quite silent now. It's more stable, you know. It has a really good separation, especially when you have the ferrous target really close to non-ferrous one. And I demonstrated it to you on several targets what I had here. And yeah, I'm impressed. You know, after all of the tests, I can say that Minelab actually did a great work. Congratulations, Minelab. At least you are one of the best in target separation right now, as I can see. And for all of you who was watching my video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like, leave a comment. If you're owning the Manticore, what do you think about it? And if you want the Manticore, what is your opinion about this test and this metal detector? Please tell me about it. So, thank you for watching, and I hope that I will see you once again here on my tests. I will have more metal detectors to test soon, and I promise to you, probably next year, this year, I will show you some metal detecting here as well in my area. And all the best to you, and see you soon. Bye bye, cheers.